井底之蛙，井底之蛙，井底之蛙。This idiom is used to metaphorically describe a person who is not only narrow-minded and short-sighted due to his limited knowledge and experience, but also self-inflated, arrogant, and conceited. 井 is a noun meaning well. 底 is a noun meaning bottom or base. 之 is a particle used after a noun to form an adjective that serves as a noun modifier. 蛙 is a noun meaning frog. The first three words 井底之 form an adjective used as a noun modifier, modifying the noun 蛙. So, translated word by word, this idiom means a frog at the bottom of a well. This idiom is from a story about a frog who lives in a well that has little water. He sits at the bottom of the well all day long. The poor frog has never been out of the well, so naturally he has no clue whatsoever as to what the outside world is like. However, what is fortunate for him is that the well has no lid, so he gets to see the sky through the opening of the well, and this is the only thing he sees besides the inside of the well. Does this make him sad? No, not at all. On the contrary, it makes him feel great. So great that he says to himself almost every day, "Ha ha ha, I own the whole world. I am the king here, the only king." Because the world in his mind is just as big as the opening of the well. This idiom can be used as a noun. For example, 一个自以为是却愚蠢的人就是一个井底之蛙. An opinionated and a stupid person is a narrow-minded and conceited person. 一个 is an indefinite article meaning a. 自以为是 is actually an idiom meaning opinionated. Here, used as an adjective, 却 is a conjunction meaning but, which connects the first adjective 自以为是 to the second adjective 愚蠢的 meaning stupid. Together, forming an adjective phrase 自以为是却愚蠢的. Modifying the noun 人 meaning person. 就 is an adverb meaning right on, modifying the linking verb 是. Here, 就是 means truly is. 一个井底之蛙 means a frog at the bottom of a well. And this idiom can also be used as an adjective that serves as a noun modifier. For example, 井底之蛙的见解 an opinionated and a narrow-minded point of view. Note here when using this idiom as an adjective, we need to add one word, the, after it. And this noun modifier modifies the compound noun, 见解, which means opinion or point of view.